You're looking at the sun beginning to set here in Nicaragua. It's 5:15, and I'm Kevin Fleming from Playa Mariana. We're developing this 923-acre project called Playa Mariana. I'm here at the front entrance. It's been quite a day, quite an emotional day actually, coming back here and seeing all the progress, because I was here for 2 months in probably the worst possible time, October and November of the rainy season. And this place was underwater, it was messy. It was, frankly, it was a disaster. It was really a disaster. So today, coming back and seeing how the weather and the climate has dried up and we're into the dry season now, and all the work that's been done around this front entrance, clearing all of the old brush and landscaping, making this whole entire area here is for water. Okay, I explained in a previous video how this is the well that we drilled some time ago, but now we're building the pump house to the well, and the well is active and delivering water. Really clean water, and this well is going to produce, coming out of 20,000 gallons tanks, 4 different separate tanks, 250 gallons per minute through a 4-inch pipe to the development. And this is just one of four wells on the site that has the capacity to deliver up to 250 gallons of water per minute for a total of 850 gallons total, so per minute, that is. Okay, so a lot of water here. And this site is a really great agricultural site, which is what we're going to turn the back into until such time that we decide to sell it or another developer comes forward. Over the last month or so, we started clearing this front entrance over here. This was an entrance that we started some time ago and that we had to stop, which was somewhat unfortunate, but depends how you look at it. Now we got a head start, right? So soon that entrance is going to be completed within the next 2-3 months, depending on the priorities that we have moving forward with the water first, because we still have to trench 2 kilometers of line. In the case you didn't see it, our site trailer came on site, and this is fantastic, and it's got power, and soon it's going to have a shower and water and a bathroom. So it's nice to have that here. It's nice to have an office to work on site. So I am going to take off now. We're going to drive down to the ocean view, and I'm going to show you some sunset pictures. I'm staying here right to sunset, so you're going to see what it looks like at sunset at the top at the ocean view level and down below at the beach. So stick with me. Look down below, follow, like, heart, share, get that algorithm going, and show me what you think about all these videos that I'm showing you today.